old coffee. Why is there like stuff on the mug? Oh, it's probably coffee like molded in the shape of saran wrap. Nice and hot and old. It's 1 day old coffee mixed with 2 day old coffee. Mmm. Wow. Oh, it just auto transitioned. Haha, nice. Okay. Well, that's not for that, I guess. Okay. Uh-huh. Right. I mean, I could just do it. Okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna have to actually work it, aren't I? Oh my god, I'm huge on the side icon. I've zoomed in the camera a little bit. I'm farther away than a few months ago because my desk is bigger. I wish I could play my game. Alright, I think I'm gonna get rid of this thing. I kept it. I forget how to do this. Oh. Goodbye. Okay. So now it's not gonna do that anymore. Amazing. Do I have to? I probably have to restart it, don't I? What did it do? Why doesn't it do anything anymore? Uh. My Sublime text is ruined? Next. Hello. My Sublime text is ruined. I can't like hover this and then see this. It doesn't show up. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's fixed. Except not on this script. I probably have to reopen them all. It's cringe. Whatever. Imagine not making code fully dynamic in your code editor. Coded with code. It's working now. If I go to this set index garbage, it probably works as well, right? Oh no, it wasn't in there. It was in simulation W. Was it here? Probably. This is probably it. Yeah. Hey, it works. Yeah, I want to work on Deathrun, but I need the world system to work. So I have to make that. I'm gonna open Discord because I want to look at the B-Hop. Discord. Your brain tricks you into thinking. Your brain tricks your brain into thinking. Oh. So I pasted this garbage in, going like, I probably need this here. This is more or less proper. What does that mean? Calling the init functions. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, okay. So, presumably, wait, do I write it into the state index on the server? Presumably anything with a, oh, no, it should be, presumably anything with a state index has been set, has a state set. So it has either an analytic or interactive script in it. What do I do about nested moving parts? Where if you want like an like, I don't know, elevator that goes brrr, but then it has like some sort of spinning wheel on it, or like anything you want really. You could have a little platform that goes like, it doesn't matter, but like it would be cool to write, and it would force me to write modular code to support nested. Okay, this is a little bit loud. Moving platforms. I talked about that yesterday or some other time. Oh my god, bro. So I did this and nothing happened. Probably because the actual doodad here is not actually doing what it needs to be doing. Let's take a look at the old code. Before there was fire. Okay, it didn't do anything. Excuse me. Okay, so it's like process map info. That's what I need to look at. Oh, that's it? That's the only changes. Constructor though. So this is, so it used to go like oh, you already processed info, you're really cool. But now it goes like, I'm going to clone the existing state which processed the info. What the what? Okay. Yeah, good. Mm. It's too hot. I need to open the window. I will not be able to do that soon. I won't actually be able to stream because I'll be sitting here in my underwear sweating. I suppose I could just have the camera off or something. Yeah, that's probably for the best. I still need to work. I need to make Deathrun. Summer 2023. Boy, wouldn't it be great to have an air conditioner? That'd be great. I wish I had an air conditioner. So, it says here, use this. Consider the following. So this is basically how the other one is going to work. The reuse, abuse. Okay, that's clone. And no, I don't know. Let's reuses an existing instance, creates a new instance with its own clones of dynamic objects, generates a new instance directly from map info. It's not new. We need more love. Skip. This is not that good. I'm gonna next. Okay, like, what is going on here, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? Okay, so I think I don't need this at all. Because, like, it's only in here. So, like, we can just say no to reverse index RCF and just... How did I get here? Okay. Yeah, go away. We don't need you. Reverse index. Get out. Reverse index. It's RCF. Get out. Reverse index RCF. We need to find all copies and get rid of it. Because I'm not going to do it like that. Yeah. I need to label these things. List of interactive objects. Is it objects or the functions? It's right here. So it's like it makes a list and then it adds. It's list of demands. Um, so who did this? Let's see. Let's see it. Should be a function like activate button or something. There it is. Okay, so it gets the thingy, and then it grabs that, and it's the references right there to get the thing. the activate button. I can, okay, so my brain is like, I can like think today. Now I can think. I'm capable. Today. Whereas yesterday I was like, oh, I don't wanna, I don't wanna, but today I'm like, so I have to do this. I am the thinker. He is the thinker. I excuse me. So I think if it goes through and does all the things, and then I go do like, wait, okay, wait. Would it, maybe I should just regenerate this list because it's activate index, right? No, activate index is a function. What is interactive index? Object equals function. It's also a function. Reverse index equals object. Okay, so that's how you get the thing. So could I regenerate this? Like, what is it doing? It goes through interactive. I think that this has the same deals. So so I could go like, oh my god, and then I could go like, oh my god, and then I could go like, oh my god. Where's the? Okay, this is. It doesn't have it for analytic. But it doesn't need to have it because it only runs once. So this is, okay, this is a create instance function. So that does belong in here. So this, so I could, I mean, it looks like this is directly straight up it. I see. Oh, so this doesn't work. Oh, yeah, I don't need this. Okay. I see. Yeah. No, we don't need this. This is not an instance. This is a just, it's basically just init. So I can just go like We don't need this. So I can go like this. For funsies. And then I could go... and then like this. With these will be nil. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so what? This is a thing. That's a thing, and then this is that's just something else. What does it do? Who does this? It's. I think it just doesn't exist at this level, and it just stays dormant. And then this one as well can just be like not a real thing. He said confidently. Ha ha ha. Okay. State index. Oh, I need this. Amazing. Okay, so now it clones objects, and everyone cheers and goes, "Woo! The objects are cloned!" And then this one goes, "Reuse objects," and everyone goes, "Woo! The objects are reused!" So I need to do. I think I do something similar to this right here, and reset them states. And then that's real. So it reset them states. To clone or to copy? Duh. Why would I do this? Oh, I forgot to generate this. I think I'm just gonna, like, put my head in the sand. Cool. Okay. Do I have world reset? So this was supposed to do this, but it don't be doing that. So I think I can straight up use the ones from here because it's not modified. State index has to be its own feller. Don't know about that. So it does. Oh, it does call the world reset, right? What does that do? World reset. I should probably move it down because like it's related. Copy state reference world. I don't think that's the right thing to do. Actually, it might be. I might just do like that. Oh, does it have a timestamp? And then I put this code into that. Might work. New active state. I'm gonna move. Ooh. Yeah, whatever. All right, so say the calls reset. It's right there. Interesting. Clone. Hey, yo. This actually has to go here. Break your ass. Yeah, that makes more sense, I think. Does that need to know about that? I don't know. I don't know if it does. It might. I think it might. So, I mean, it's on the reference world. But like, okay. So reset. Oh. Oh. Set the states. Oh, this is an error. So it can be slow. Did you get rid of the LSP? Yeah. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Is that it? Is that the whole deal? Is that all I had to do yesterday? Okay, let's look at it. I was like, oh, I don't want to do it, man. Oh my god, bro, I don't want to do it. What's this? It's remove. Yeah. So that's the simulation world remove, which is storage destroy, which is wow. I mean, I don't know. Oh, I need to do this. I forgot about that. Where did it go? Where did it go? I guess that was new code, and I deleted it. Okay, so it needs to know what's gonna move. Okay, stop. There's two things here. Okay. Okay, so I could just like ignore this and update the state index right here, or whatever the hell this function does. Self object state. And then simply copy it. Does that copy this? Yes. And then it's already there, and I don't need to do that on every single object because it's resetting to a known state. So if it already knows what's gonna move in that known state, then that's fine. Okay. Okay. Nice. Ooh, we're going into Lucas now, so it is trying to do something. That's more than it was trying to do yesterday, where it would just like run and nothing would happen, but there would be no errors. Server, same deal. Okay. Oh, scroll jump. Oof. Okay, where are we going? World init reuse. Set state 389. That ain't right. Oh. Are we in reset? Oh, we are in reset. Okay, so could not evaluate input equals T. Okay, so the environment is wrong for some reason. Is that okay? So who called this? Set state world helpers 389. World line 627. Oof. Okay, that was it. Dude, imagine something happen. Imagine part move, oh my god, part move. Okay, let's take a look at this again. Oh no, oh no, 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 we have to go. Where is that? It's not it. I don't know. I don't know where that is. I can see it in my head, but I don't know what. Okay, it's dot world reset. Game mechanics. It was right here. So it needs a timestamp. World timestamp. So we go. Timer, time. Hold up. What about the set time? Oh no, it's set time. Would that do it then? Maybe. Okay. Did I do it? Whoa! Oh, it's moving! Oh, dude, and there's clones of the parts! No way! Whoa! Ooh, so I haven't messed with the. Okay, so, okay, can I jump on this? No. Okay. Can I jump on the one at the top? I couldn't tell. No, I can probably touch this one then. Okay. So I think that it's going, excuse me, your parts are not a part of this map. You're not a part of this map. And I need to change it so that it ignores this part. It do that. Oh my god, it's moving. It's so good. Oh my god, I made world instancing. Why didn't I just do this yesterday? Did you see how easy it was? Ugh. Doing so. What the heck? So what I have to do is I have to make the world parts invisible. Yeah. I have to. Oh my god, bro. Is there? Okay, so there's. Whoa, it's so good. It's like doing nothing. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's doing nothing. I kind of want to see the errors when I go into the Deathrun map. Yeah, so I need to make it so when I fetch for parts, it uses the internal or the like cloned parts. And does it work with spectate too? Damn. Client. What world is it using? Well, it pauses. So I can't like evaluate whether it's a server side part. It's possibly just a server side part, but I can't really evaluate that because it's only 60 frames per second, and like, I mean, yeah, it's probably just a server side part. Wait, no, it can't be a server side part because it always clones into the current camera. The current camera is not replicated. So the server side part movements will not affect the client. I think. How long did that take? That took like less than an hour. Very poggy. Man. How do I feel like it's not running at maximum smoothness? Do you have the FPS unlocker? Yeah. I haven't really looked at how it's running. I do. Okay. It's pretty easy to tell, so. More than nothing happens. That is a nice breakthrough. And no errors, surprisingly. All that manual programming of cloning states. Okay, so is it the lower one? No, it's the upper one. Oh, wait, there is no lower one. Wait, what? Why is it over there? Okay, what happens if I, like, go over here? Oh! And no errors. Now what? A lot of things. I mean, it's just preliminary stuff. Why is that like that? What does this mean? It is making clones. How? Is it me or is it making clones? I'm on greater than 250 frames per second. Oh wait, what? Okay, what about hit? Is that? Oh, that's one of them. It's not supposed to run moving platforms, but I don't think I've blocked it from like making. Oh. Oh look. Oh. Yeah. So it thinks it's gonna hit that. Or no, it thinks it's gonna hit that one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is just starting. This is just getting started. This was my goal for yesterday, so. I can't believe it was so easy. Like it's unbelievable what what sleep and coffee can do. I just solve it in an hour. And I would have just sat there and done nothing for hours and hours. Okay, so let's go. Oh, let's look like this. Okay, it's not doing anything over there. That's okay. Oh my god, it's a bounce. Okay, so I'm gonna publish dev. Make Deathrun map test. And then we're gonna go and look and load the number. Okay, it's running. Attempt to call a nil value. You're trolling. Why does it do that? What did you think you were doing here? Sorry. Oh my god, I left that code in. I mean, it's running that. Let's just. Okay, there's no world, but like let's pretend. Map. Call a nil value. Okay. Okay, we have action. Call a nil value. Bro. Call a nil value. Bro. Oh, okay, so this is because of this. And then this is probably also because of that. What did you think you were doing here? Let's go take a look at what I thought I was doing there. So this is, like, just plainly, obviously wrong. Basically, it needs to hook into map, load. I mean, it's one object now, right? But is it? No, it's remade when the map is created. Oh, it's remade because the physics is remade. Yeah, so it basically goes right here. So who has access? So I need to get this into here. This is simulation wiring. It has a simulation. What do I do, like set global timeline or something on the simulation? Do I have trackers in here? I don't think I do. It'd be a little bit cringe. Yeah, I don't. What about in world? Timers, but no trackers. Good. How do I make this happen? Okay, so load world is a so. Okay, so I could do something insane and go like this. And it would work, but at the cost of spaghetti code. And then I do this. And then it'll do something, which is more than nothing. And that means I need trackers, so I just go. Okay, so maybe something will happen. And it'll not error as well, which is cool. Cool. Okay, so now there's no errors, but it's wrong. Attempt to call a nil value. Probably I did something wrong in here. Ah. Oh no, there it is. Just got the Lucas. I mean, I did something, so. Ah! Ugh. That was yeah, I have the same stream title because I was just trying to get what I was trying to do yesterday to work, and I did it. So now it needs to like have proper transparencies. I mean, I mean, I need to like probably before I make it transparent. You know what I could do is color code them like blue is original map, red is clone, I don't know. My favorite part is how it doesn't freeze when you leave the start zone. Because like it would have to like make a bunch of new parts and stuff if I triggered it like that. But I came up with a smart design. I'm smart. Where it clones when the map loads. Oh god. I don't know who Sean Murray is. Alright, I need a button in the dev map. Actually. I can go like this, right? Or is it map loading place? Hold on. Oh, where's the model? I found it. Alright, does this work? Ooh. So I think I'm just not passing something. Ooh, the stay. Right, it doesn't have velocity on it. Is this one just gonna error? Call a nil value. I guess I have to look at the code and figure it out. Why would it call a nil value? Okay, so it's checking that the part is in right, because that's the default logic. I think it's all fine. What am I doing wrong? What was that? My whole desktop went like digital. And now the CPU is running some I don't know what I just did. Why call nil value? F. Interactive index. Was that ever set up? Yes. Why? Okay. Okay. Stop trying to call nil value. Like, just have it, man. Call a nil value? It's probably in here. Something. Alright. I'm just gonna like get rid of the P call and see what it does. It's right here. So I can see the freaking stack trace. Wrong one. Oh. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Okay, look this. How would I do this? Why is this like this? Oh, okay. I can go like this. Go like this. Bam. Okay, so now if I go like legit. If I go okay, so that's probably it. So it's just straight up it doesn't exist. So uh stop being nil, man. What is that? Do I really want that? I think I do. Because it's like written on the object. Equals F. I don't understand why this wouldn't work. I need to start the code more, but not feeling it. Alright, let's look. Okay, so it's probably like right here. Right here. So it should be like, this is nil. Or something. Excuse me. So this is actually not the correct. I don't get it. Check the lineage. If it references a different part. I need to check some of these things. Reverse index. Is that even okay? So reverse index is like that. I mean, they all use this. So using the same thing, it's fine. So they should both exist for interactive stuff. I don't really want to pollute. I'm gonna do like this. Oh, what if you put like parts in it and stuff? I don't know. I guess I have to. I don't really have to, but we'll just like leave it. They can be dead. I don't understand why it's nil. Should all be there. But it's clearly not. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Yeah. One, two, three, four. Oh, it edits it. Unlucky. Doesn't really matter, but shut up. Oh my god, bro. What kind of coder am I? What 13 years of experience looks like. I forgot. Okay, that thing is doing that thing. What's this? It's actually trying to do it. Yo, it's actually trying to like make Deathrun. It's an error. Ooh. This didn't. I mean, it's clearly either this never happens or this is always true. All right, let's try. Let's see if this is ever no, just straight up, because it should be, right? So. It is. Okay. So it's running that code. Something is happening. But it doesn't happen when it does this. Alright, let's assert this object exists because like... Alright, go ahead. Amazing. It's still doing the thing. Cute. I just don't understand how it could be nil. Because, like, everything up until that point is not nil. And then it's just like, nil. Alright, who sets up the update? Next. It's the world reset, interactive index. Is the object clone. Like as long as it's not. I hate this. Just demos of different songs. Okay, I'll try this, see what happens. It writes, as far as I know. I don't get it. Okay, let's see if it's running at all, I guess. I don't understand where the reference is getting lost. All my tests here are coming out back positive. Oh. It's not running. So either this is empty. Oh. Oh. No. It sets the reference world and then copies the state. Right there. Does that include the interactive index? Copy state. It does not? Well, there's your problem. Why wouldn't it do that? What is the... Okay, let's look at the original. It's there. Seems like it's only meant for this, though. Like, it just grabs it there. Yeah, it doesn't actually create that in its little guy. Okay, let's see. What even is this? It's a thing. It says use. It just says call this function if you touch this part. Or like it. This part has this function. Yeah, no, that's exactly. Oh no, not touch, but like if you activate this part, if this part is activated, call this function. And then this one says these parts activate when this button is touched. I guess I could just add it to the thing, to the state. Is this is it grabbing it? Is it part of the state? I have no idea. What does it mean? So it never references it in here. It's just saying, here's the functions. I don't know if I'll need that. Okay, well, I found the problem at least. I mean, I can do like... It's exactly the same. And it doesn't change. Okay. That should fix this bug. Do you have TikTok? No. Alright, we got the A's. Very pog. Okay. Now I press a button and something happens. Nice. Okay, I'm sure this will not work, but like... Okay, elevator, there's probably gonna be like multiple elevators, but... Ooh. So this one doesn't work. Wait, it does work? I can... Ooh! That elevator vanished. Oh, did I, I see, it's leaking state, or it's like grabbing state from... I see. Okay, so it thinks the elevator is somewhere else. So that's what's happening, is like every time you press it, it's like, oh, the elevator's up here. Because it's referencing an object that's part of a different, So... No, it doesn't do that. Whoa! It's never done that before. When did I fix that? That's what it's supposed to do. Kind of. It's supposed to go like, but it's never run. But when did I fix that? What the heck? Cool, we're making progress. Let's go. The buttons do something. Okay, let's try the other map. Crap. I have to publish it first. All right. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's go. What's going on there? It's doing things. All right. There's a chance. Did you steal the button sound? I didn't make this. This is made by professional noobs. Button.org. Explode. XD. Why was it already turning? Hey yo, join up! I want to see if you pressing buttons makes something appear for me. I guess I still won't be able to. Well, no, right. Because it makes it in the current camera, even on the server, which doesn't replicate. So if it appears for me, then it's because it's replicating the button press to me. Press button. Press the button. Wait, do you already see the buttons pressed? Did you just press a button and I didn't hear it? I heard it. It might be server side button push though. It doesn't do anything. Very sad. Scammed. I hear button twice. Like it does press it twice with the current implementation. It would, yeah. So, that's possibly server side sound. Okay, so it's not replicating yet, maybe? Unless, okay, I can't actually check the logs because this is a alternate game. Oh my god, we have instancing! Oh, we have instancing! Whoa! That cannot be on the server. Why does it only do 2 of them? And why is it like that? That doesn't make sense. Can it be on the server? Yeah. I don't know. Can it be on the server? We need crouch just for this. Can it be? I mean, if the parts, if they're not correctly put into like the current camera, then it could be on the server. I guess. Is this implemented as a button? Because it needs to be. I guess it has to be. Oof, I hit the car. So, yeah, we're back to more than nothing happening and having code that doesn't crash. I hit the car again. But we don't have Deathrun yet. I'm going to have to do more looking and thinking and debugging and testing and tweaking and oh, brrr. Bzzzt. XD. Can you just, no you can't. Oh my god. I can just hide here, XD. Oh, we can't play Deathrun yet, yo. Oh. We're so close to greatness. Wait. Is that real? Real moving parts? Oh my god. What? It actually recognized the position. So it's not recognize. Whoa. Why would it recognize the parts? Shouldn't it not recognize the parts? Drrr. Neat. That's unique Unork. This is neat. It basically looks exactly the same as before, except now there's a lot of code changes. Wow. What happens? What happened? Was there an error? There's no way to know. Okay. Wait, what? Is there a... I like how they make the noises. We're getting closer to a game. Dude, this game is gonna be a game. I can't wait until it's a game. So I'll have to look at both the scripts and the buttons. There's a lot of work. There's work to do. Oh. I'll have to see what's happening with the wait, did I ever set the index on the global event timeline? God, I don't remember. What? Okay, why would it look like that? Doesn't that mean that it's... I don't know what's going on. Shouldn't it not do that? Does it ever use the original parts? I don't know. Stealing? What do you mean stealing? I'm not stealing. It wasn't me. Man, it's nothing until everything's done. This game, it's just not a game until I have made everything. Well, that's okay. We'll get there. This looks awful at 60 FPS. I hate it. I don't know why it doesn't make bots. It's probably an error, but like, we don't need bots, so yeah. Just b-hopping right now. Yeah, it's just b-hop. I'm a bit lost right now because I didn't plan ahead for today. I was like, I want to make the thing that I was working on yesterday, and then I made it, and so now I'm just like kind of lost. I keep relying on my uncanny ability to just know what to do after I sleep for a day. It makes the game development slower if I do everything tomorrow instead of like continuing work, you know? We got some delay. Someone was messaging me about delay and how there's like a minute of delay for spectating a player one time. That was kind of surprising. It's usually a lot lower. Yeah, so imagine with this sort of delay, trying to press Deathrun buttons. I think I need to make a dynamic buffer. And hopefully the dynamic buffer results in a smaller delay for most players. Because like right now, it's 200 milliseconds of delay flat out. No matter if you lag, no matter if you don't lag. So it'll be better for everyone to have a dynamic buffer. Yeah, latency is a big part of Deathrun. This game is definitely not designed for low latency. It's designed to look perfect when you spectate someone without any network problems, which happen and make it look not perfect. But like, you can't really do anything about that. Progress. Oh my god. That world instancing concept was pretty hard to come by. I tried, what, 4 times to do that and failed every time because like Roblox would get in the way and I wouldn't really know how to organize the code. But it turns out my original code was kind of close. I just had to like initialize the world in different ways based on other world objects. I think it's pretty good now. I should put my chocolate into the fridge. I have a lot of chocolate in a cupboard, and it's like kind of hot now. I'm gonna make Deathrun. Work on the button buffer. I already made it. The button is buffered by 200 milliseconds. So no matter what you do, if you're a death and you press a button, it'll delay the button press by 200 milliseconds at least. If you lag more than 200 milliseconds, then it'll delay it more. So that's... I don't really see a way around that, because otherwise, like you'll press a button back in time, which like, no. At 500 ping, yeah, you're toast at 500 ping. Like, but you can't really play anyways, properly, and react. So, I'm gonna find some sort of button delay that sort of equalizes players with like reasonable ping, and then like there's nothing you can do about laggy players except make it so that it's harder for them to play the game, because otherwise what they could do is they could press the button and then they send a timestamp of when they press the button. I don't know why I would use air quotes there, but when they press the button, it'd say, I pressed the button at this time to the server. And then the server is like running the whatever server authoritative physics, which is delayed by their ping. So it's like processing the history of whatever happened on their client. But that's fully verified. So they move to press the button, right? And so that's on a delay, so it happens after real time, and then it says I pressed the button at this time, and then that would propagate to the other players, and then the players would have to retroactively update the world state. So I just no. It'll just, all it'll do is it will generate a button press at real time on the server, whatever real time is.
If they have more than 500 milliseconds of lag, it'll go delay the button press by 200 milliseconds. Okay, it's in the past, and it'll delay it to the present, and then it'll just fire the button press immediately, which will make the objects teleport a little bit on the clients, but very complicated things. PhD in networking. Yeah, I'm trying to balance like latency and cheating. Well, not really cheating, but like so like yeah, I can't just have it so that players with 10 milliseconds ping are always the gods of the server, cuz like yeah. But I also can't make it, or I don't want to make it so that there's a built-in 5-second delay for pressing buttons. Like, that would just be terrible. So probably 200 milliseconds is pretty high, and I might turn it down to 100 milliseconds. What's the pingus right now? Okay, so we're I think this doesn't include the built-in buffer. So the actual buffer is like 250 milliseconds or something. And then if I have a dynamic buffer, then we can like start to have like actual low latency players. And then we'll also have high latency players. Yeah, there's really not much much to see right now. It still just looks exactly the same, which is like yeah, dude, I promise I wrote all this code. Yeah, Deathrun's coming soon, and it just looks like it did 2 years ago. Oh my god, there's so much backend. I love programming this game so much. Specifically because there's so much back-end work. Deathrun from Gmod. I have a lag compilation in Unreal. What does that mean? Lag compensation for server rewind on Gary's mod? So okay, so I can explain the different options for networking. Inside Unreal Engine making a small game. Oh, lag compensation, not compilation. Okay, so what you can do is, if you want to be, like, exact and have a global state, you can delay the like, whole world updates until you have collected all inputs from all players. And like, for FPS game, it's like, this player was aiming at that location at this time, and then they clicked at this time, and so on the server they were aiming directly at this player and they landed their shot. Great. But you never really want to do that because you never know, you never have up-to-date information on clients because of normal network lag, normal network latency. Like, even 40 milliseconds is a long time. And so you can never know 40 milliseconds in the future for sure what a player you're watching has already done, but you haven't received that information yet.
So like, I like to imagine, what if you had like a neural network that was pretending to be the other players, and it was like trained to act like the players, and it would like strafe back and forth like the other players and stuff. But the really bad thing about that is, what if it does something that the player doesn't do? Like, what if they're like around a corner and it's like, okay, usually the player peeks out right now, but they don't do that. So it goes like, and it looks like they're about to come out, and now you know they're there, and now the information, like it leaks information. So you have to base it off of the real information, which is delayed. So you can't know what they've already done. It's like the only way to have a game where you're like, where you don't go like, oh come on, I totally hit that, or like, why did it no reg, or and stuff like that, is to have everyone be playing the game in the same room with like less than 1 millisecond of latency. That's the only way. You can't have people across the world playing the same game without going, why did it no reg, and stuff like that. Because it's a trade-off. Like, you have to display old information on the player's screen, and then the player has to act on that old information. You can't expect the player to just predict where, actually the player should be here on the server when I shoot my shot. Oh, I think this player has 146 milliseconds of latency, so they're gonna be right here on the server. I'm gonna lead the shot by more than the bullet travel distance plus the network latency. No, you can't have them do that. You have to have that. You can't make the player predict network conditions and predict what the network latency is and predict what the server state will be and all that. It just, that's not how people should be thinking. That's not what the players should be thinking about when they play the games. They should be thinking, does my shot line up with what I see? And the information they see is delayed so that it's real information and not some AI predicting what the player is about to do. And so you have to run your hit checks based on that delayed information and not some real global central server state, because that's not what the player sees. And it's also hard if you're sending inputs. Okay, let's say oh no, you just do the delay and it's the same thing. Never mind. Let's say let's say that you're sending inputs over the network, like you got WSD and stuff, and then it's like remote controlling a player that another player is seeing. So it's running on their computer and it's remote controlled. So if they're walking forwards and then they stop walking forward, they let go, but that input doesn't reach the person who's watching them, then they continue to walk forward when they actually didn't. But like you just put the events on a track, on a timeline, and delay the timeline. Same way as right. So yeah. So yeah, no, it's also like, imagine you're driving cars. It's really hard to have the cars bumper to, or side to side, and because like you can like predict that their inputs won't change. But then if they, so the cars are driving, and then this player starts turning and goes like this, right? But then on this player's screen, they don't get that information for what, like 200 milliseconds. So they're driving, and then suddenly it's like, oh, by the way, back here, this player started turning away, and so the car goes like, boop, and it teleports to somewhere else. So, yeah, it's networking is hard. Networking, you have to make sacrifices. You have to show wrong info to the player, and then use the wrong info that the player saw to do hit registration and do like collision checking and stuff. There's no solution. We need information teleportation. We need 0 milliseconds. Somebody please invent warp speed travel. You done much networking with Roblox? Yes. Yeah, my whole game is custom networked. I don't use any of Roblox's automatic networking. In fact, Roblox's automatic networking can't be disabled, and so it like wastes bandwidth. And actually, what I've just made, the world instancing system, prevents the automatic networking. It hides the dynamic objects inside of the camera object, and that's the only way to make Roblox not replicate networking information. And so it'll actually save bandwidth, as well as have separate instances, and it solves all sorts of things. It's very nice. But I don't have it like super working yet. And you can see that there's like what do we have? The demo map? I don't know. You can see that there's multiple copies. Like, this is a piston thing that comes out, right? When I push the button, there's like another one here. Like, why is there another one? It's because of the world instancing. There's multiple instances. There's like 4 different instances of the world. There's one for the wait, is that why it looks weird? Is there 2? Hold on. Okay, there's one for the main simulation. There's one for the smoothing simulation that might explain why it looks all weird. There's one for the hit gauge. And there might be another one for the spectating. There might even be like one for each player. I'm not I don't really remember how the spectate thing works. I should definitely make it so that it's only one. Oh. I didn't consider this. That's hilarious. I see you're about to press the button. In less than 2 seconds, the button will be pressed. But it doesn't activate the things. Interesting. Cheat. What? Oh, right. That's not a real button. Or rather, it errors. I'm also shocked that on the demo map, the things go like... Because, like, XD. I don't get... Why is it already spinning? I think if I touch either one, I die, right? Very cool. This is gonna be programming adventure. He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it! He's gonna hit it! He's gonna hit it! Oh man, I haven't even been streaming for 3 hours, but I feel done because I did the thing that I set out to do. Does that actually activate? No. No, the world states are not replicated. They definitely should be, though. VIP only. Instant button presses. Minus 100 milliseconds from your button presses. Game Pass. Wait, does this button not work anymore? Oof. What happened? Well, let's see if I can stare at the code for long enough to work on something else. This was the entire problem why the buttons weren't doing anything. I needed that one line of code. So very poor, I guess. I should commit my changes because like we're back to having a thing. Oh, that's right. The I have this what is it? This code? What is that? Fetch state. Oh, it's not here. It's in here. Where is it? It's ugly. Yeah, this one. I got to replace this code. So this is like backwards reaching code. It goes like, okay, what's the position of this part? Okay, well this part is based off of this part's position, so I need to get that part's position. And this part, the equation for that is this, so I can run that equation, and then we're gonna get the numbers, and then we're gonna do that, and then we transform it, and then now we have this part's position. And so it like reaches back and through the hierarchy of parts and grabs stuff. No, that's slow. Don't do that. What I am going to do this time is do top down. I'll go like, this part needs to be updated. Let's update it. Okay, we have the new position. Let's put it into the cache. And then when something goes, what's the position of this? It's like, it's in the cache. And it gets it. Instead of going, calculate, it just like grabs it. But that's going to be some thinking and coding. That's thinking and coding for another day. From any distance? Press the button from any distance. Yeah, I'm going to make it so you can click on the buttons as well. What's another thing? Shoot? Probably I should make it so you can shoot the buttons as well. I don't have a gun. You like ricochet a bullet and it hits the button. That would be really fun to have like the Phantom Forces gun system. But like I can't ask for that. Hey man, can I have your entire gun system? And it'd be like huge as well, and it wouldn't integrate in with my code. But like that's perfection, or whatever the new one he's made is. We gotta like make it together, make a new thing. Trey is interested. If I make my own game engine, Trey is interested in like using it and making a game. 6 more years to implement. Yeah. Wow. So this is why you couldn't stand on the moving parts like you could before. You know, like the circles that spin on the Deathrun map. Usually you can stand on them and they move you around, but it needs this to do that. And this function, I'm trying to replace it, so it's commented out, and it just says, haha, it's not moving, because then it'll run. Pay for one more life. Respawn Game Pass. Honestly, would that actually be that bad? I don't think that would be that bad. Like, it's pay to win, but it like it's one more thing. I don't think that would be that bad. Like, it's Deathrun. It's a cash grab. Huge raid. Oh my god. Bots? There's no one in the chat. Who did this? Who did this? Ad revenue? Maybe. I feel like it's mostly from people actually subscribing. What I do get. Color coding. I think I'll do color coding. Just to see stuff. Okay, so I'll leave the original map, original color. Object clone. How do I set the color? I don't know. Do I like set the color of textures? Okay, clones. What color are clones? $80, $50, $145. Copy. Is that how it works? How do you do? Is it like color 3 or is it like brick color 3? I don't remember. All right. XD. Is this divide 255? From RGB, right? Something like that. Is it like this? Clone color? Okay. Dot color 3. Thank you. Okay. So that's those guys. And then reuse. Reuse. Oh, so there's only original and clones. Okay, so this is like bluish. Let's see what it looked like. Show me what it looked like. See the build folder come and go whenever I build. What look like? Me curious. So all of the other ones are clones. The reuse can't have a color. It always. You lied. You lied. Lies. I forgot. How do you do this? How do you... Is it that color? Roblox moment. I just want it to like be obvious. Wow. Oh my god, look at it. It's blue. It's blue. That's the original one. And that's the other clones. Does the smoothing sound? Oh, did I not? Oh, I got a comment. Crap. Okay. Okay. So, how do I do this? What is this? Roblox clown moment. All right. We'll say this. It's World Helpers, right? Yeah. Okay. Wow. Update time varying index. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who did this? Ah! What is that? Oh, that's part of the... What is that? This is world. Who made this code? There it is. Update moving parts. Well, now that... Yeah, I got a lot more control. You made B up? Yes. Shower. What does that mean? Okay, so I guess I need those functions as well for like just basic stuff, so whatever. Yes. Oh, this is deleted. XD. This is not needed, but like we can do that later. Stage. Yeah. Yeah. Later. Later. Okay, this is all the work. Okay. Haha, goodbye. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this is like just like some garbage I did. Okay. World reset. takes world time as argument. XD. Okay, and then it move. I'm just gonna do the whole thing. So this is like make world work basically. This is the thing that does that. This is something else. This is can I have that after. Okay, so implement instance cloning. Cloning. How do you cloning? All right. Wow. And then like like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like, oh crap, I missed that. This. So this is like I did it. That's something else. This is part of it. Epic. Okay. This is this thing. Then this is Deathrun. Hack. XD. Color clones. Yay! And then I go here. This is part of this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I did it. I put the code in the coding place. Okay, what about this one? This is the Deathrun hack. Where did I do the garbage? I think. Oh, I mean, I made it a hack. Damn. Okay, that's not part of the hack. Wait, what? Okay, so this did replace that. That was kind of bad. I shouldn't have done that. Is there like Control Z?
No. Very sad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take that out of there. Oh, I have to do this first, though, don't I? I'll just call this the Deathrun hack. Even though it includes a lot more, but... so now I have to edit this. We have to find that silly line of code. Right here. Bam. I think that's it. That can stay there. That's fine. Oh, actually that fixes it. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Like, that's fine. Just like that. I don't know what that means. Alright. What did I just do? I'm just gonna reset it. I don't want to lose everything. Okay, so I'm trying to get that one line out. Alright, why is this staged like this? I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that and do this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I just had to ignore it. Okay, cool. So now this is the Deathrun hack. Do I have this one in here? No. Okay, so this can go right here. Squah. Yay. And then I can go like send it. Whew. And then I can send this one as well. Whew. We got that Deathrun hack. It's a hack because there's code inside and outside of Deathrun, and all Deathrun specific code should be specific to Deathrun. But it's not. Okay, I just want to stop working. I need to. Okay, I wish I could just play my game. Like that's what I do when I feel like this. Is I play my game, and then I think of things and I keep working. But like I can't play my game at 60 frames per second. It just doesn't work. It doesn't work like that. I tried to update the FPS unlocker, but it didn't do anything. It stopped working. I wonder if grape juice has an update. Probably not. Linux Zen headers. Do I have to? This could be the end of the stream. Alright, we're waiting for system updates to see if there's a Roblox make good machine.